We're going to walk you through how to fix the Windows 11 Start menu when it's not working. If this helps, feel free to like the video and subscribe. The Start menu not responding can be frustrating since it prevents you from opening apps or navigating your system. Here are a few methods you can try to get it working again. Restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. From the list of options, select Task Manager. In Task Manager, use the search bar at the top and type Explorer. Find Windows Explorer, select it, and click Restart Task. Your screen may briefly go black as everything reloads. After that, try the Start menu again to see if it works. Restart your computer. If restarting Windows Explorer didn't fix it, press Windows plus L. In the bottom right corner, click the power button and select Restart. After your computer restarts, check if the Start menu works properly. Do a full shutdown. If the problem continues or Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete doesn't respond, perform a manual shutdown. Press and hold your computer's physical power button until it turns off. Wait a few seconds, then press the button again to turn it back on. Once it starts up, the issue should hopefully be resolved. If these steps helped you fix the Start menu, consider giving the video a like.